Yo, what's good? This is Zach with On QD Time. Check this one out. Today we have a dirty Lexus covered in mold. Thing stinks. Follow along, hit that like button, watch the transformation. Whole reason this car is here because of mold, because of the sunroof. Just washed it, and it is still currently leaking. So, get the steamer and blow out these vents. Day 2. Let's get the carpet reinstalled, seats done. Let's get it. third day. And I'm finally done. It's looking a whole lot better. Come check it out. Yo, what's up guys? Day 3's over. Finally got the car done. It's looking a whole lot better. It smells great in here. The mold is gone. Completely tore it all out. Seats, carpet, just tore it all out. Want to say thank you guys for watching. It means a lot to me. Don't forget to hit that follow button, that like button, all the buttons. Thank you guys. Again, this is Zach on Q Detailing. Take it easy.